if it sends server tells client all mod content that is being used, then mod status and then mod delivery. Or it could just be like mod data. So it sends those. Basically it sends mod data and then after it sends, it'll send mod data messages. And then should I do a mod status after each of them, or should I just like have it wait? So basically the client would just wait. Maybe there's something in the mod data message that says whether the server thinks this is the final message. You know, it might be nice ultimately to have some more checks in there, but it's probably fine just with this actually. All right, so this is going to be like the mod reconciliation flow. Then there's this stuff here that's like includes customization settings. Oh, you know what? There also needs to be like, if you change your customization in the game, the ability to get that. But this is like this is like player lifetime stuff. So like connect and disconnect and the roster. Should be connected or joined. You know what? I think I'm gonna say joined. Joined is like when they're officially in the game, because connected just kind of means like the network connection was made. So let's say joined and left. Join and leave. All right. So then we need to have client message interact. We have to have add item and remove item stuff. There's like item pickup drop. So then if client receives an any message with an any type it doesn't recognize, it breaks the client. I'll just leave that in there as a bug, and I can make sure that gets fixed later when I do mod reconciliation. So I'm just kind of like taking these notes and dividing them all into sections now, so I can just kind of do one logical piece at a time. Client 1 can see client 2's characters. Client 2 doesn't receive any entity messages. Yeah, there's some weirdness going on there. There was some tile weirdness. I'm just gonna put that stuff under other for now. And I'm going to get started on some of this stuff here. Yeah. So, this player roster stuff, right? Well, let's see here. What part do I want to do first? I'm kind of tempted to do item pickup drop first. Yeah, let's do that. That might be like more fun to test. All right, so I'm gonna do. Let's see here. So we need player add item and player remove item messages. So I'm gonna make those right now. So yesterday, I got the player inventory actually replicating correctly. So when the client connects, they can see their inventory. I finally figured out what was going on there. So now I'm going to add some things here for when the player receives a new item. And maybe I'll go ahead and just, I'm kind of like copying stuff over here. The item instance, and then oh, okay. This is player add item. So we're putting in player add item and player remove item. Okay. And then that's going to send that. And this is going to get this. And we're just going to take the item instance and apply it. So that should create the item on the client. And we need to add the picked up, add the item to this player's inventory. So that is I actually want to use this part here. Maybe it should this should probably be like marked client, so I'm gonna be like client add item, and we're gonna take we're gonna get the inventory instance. If it's null, then I want to see an error. Couldn't add